Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for Linux, DevOps and shell scripting tutorials. In today's video, we will show you how to debug a shell script line by line like a pro, whether you are just starting out or want to master debugging. This video will give you the tools you need. In this video, we will cover how to enable debugging mode in shell script using set-x, set-v and base-x methods. Why debugging matters. Shell script can fail silently or behave unexpectedly. Debugging helps you to catch errors early, understand the flow, and fix issues faster. Let's create a sample script with the name backup.sh. For the interest of time, I have already created a script with the name backup.sh. As you can see, this script is supposed to back up the files from document folder to the backup directory. For this, I have defined a source directory, which is /home LinuxTechi documents, and backup directory is /var/temp/backup. And we are using copy command to take the backup of this document folder to the backup folder. Let's say it is not working as expected. Let's debug it. First, try to execute the script. So it is failing at the cp command. In order to enable the debugging, let's use the first method, that is set-x, which is also known as exec trace. For this, we need to edit the script, and at the beginning of script we need to add a parameter set-x. Use vi editor, add here set-x. Go to the end of the file, type here set plus x. This set-x will enable, or we can say that it will start the debugging mode. It will print each command before it is executed. It is great for tracing the flow and checking variable values. This set plus x is used to disable the debugging mode. Let's save and close the file. Now again execute the script. You can see it has executed the echo command successfully. It has exported a source underscore dir variable along with backup underscore dir. And it has successfully executed this mkdir command. While executing this cp command, it is throwing an error. It says no such file or directory. Means issue is with this source. Let's try to see the exact source path. If you do ls-l/home LinuxTechi, we don't have any documents folder with the name documents. Let's try with caps D. Alright, so we know the issue is with this small d. We need to change it to caps D. Again, use vi editor, edit the script, change this to caps D, save and close the file, rerun the script. This time you should see that the command is executed successfully, and we are also getting a message that backup is completed successfully. You can also verify it using the command ls-l/var/temp/backup, and there should be a folder with the name documents. Great. So we can say that our shell script issue has been fixed as it has been executed successfully. Second method for debugging the shell script is using base-x parameter. This is the quick way to debug without modifying the script. It will show you the same step-by-step output in your terminal. Let's disable this exec trace first. Run the command bash space -x, x is in small, and then script name backup.sh. If you hit enter, you will see that each command is executed, and we can see the output of each command on the terminal. So using base-x, we can also debug our shell script the same way that we did it using exec trace or set-x parameters. Apart from these methods, there is one more method that we can use for debugging the shell script, that is set-v parameter, which is also known as verbose. It shows the line as they are read even before the execution. It is generally useful when debugging syntax issues or loops. For this verbose or the set-v method, I have a script with the name verbose.sh. In order to enable the verbose, set the parameter set-v. Save and close the file. Execute this script. You can see that it has printed the command before it is executed, and after the execution it has also printed the output of that command. That's all from this video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Linux tips, and drop your questions in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Bye.